Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss what is HTTP verbs or HTTP methods. As you know, we have already discussed that each HTTP request must have an HTTP verbs. So let us understand what are HTTP methods or verbs which are available. The first one is HTTP GET. The main purpose of the GET method is to fetch or retrieve data from the server. For example, if you want to search something like you want to get the list of employees or list of product, you want to retrieve a book by ID. So in this case, we use GET method. GET request can be a cache. We can cache the GET request and the GET request remains in the browser history. The next one is we have HTTP POST. The POST request is used to make a new entry in the database. Suppose you want to create something. For example, if you want to add a new employee, new product, so in this case we are using HTTP POST. Post requests are never cache. We cannot cache the post request and the post request do not remains in the browser history. After that we have HTTP put. The put method is used to update all the properties of current resource in your database. For example, update all properties of a particular product in the existing database. Suppose you have a product table in your database and you want to update all the fields of the table or all the columns of the table. So in this case you need to use HTTP put method. After that we have a HTTP patch method. The patch method is used to apply partial modification to a resource. For example, if you want to update a few property or column of an existing product means a product table, then you need to use the patch methods. And the last one is the HTTP delete. The delete method delete the specified resource. For example, you are removing or deleting an product from your database. So in this case, you normally use HTTP delete method. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel.